welcome back. So here is another maths exam question from GCSE paper 3, still the same year, November 2022, but different question, question 6. So you can pause the video to see if you can solve this problem on the board before I explain the solution to it. All right, so let's start. Joy, Kim, and Lisa each have an amount of money. Joy has 72 pounds. Joy's amount to Kim's amount is 6:5. Lisa's amount is 1.5 times Joy's amount. Show that in total they have less than 250 pounds. Now let's start from the beginning again. We are told that Joy, Kim, and Lisa each have an amount of money according to what we have here, but Joy has 72 pounds. So let's start with the ratio here. Joy's to Kim's ratio. Solution. So I can represent Joy's to be J and Kim's to be what? K. So we are told that they have 6:5. Do you understand that? But now, if I bring this one is for Joy. Okay, let me just write it here so that you see that. So Joy has 6, Kim has what? 5. That is the meaning. But we're not told that Joy has 72 pounds. So let's find for Kim's. If Joy has 72 pounds, that means here is going to be 72. Then we don't know this. Do you understand the logic? Cross multiply. So you are going to have what? 6x equals 72 multiplied by 5. Divide both sides by 6. This cancel out this. 6 here 1, 6 here 12. So this is going to give us what? 60 pounds. So which means that Kim's amount is what? 60 pounds. Of course, Lisa's amount is 1.5 times of Joy's. That means to get Lisa's amount will now be equals to 1.5 times. 1.5 means what? 3/2, right? That means 3/2 times Joy's amount. What is Joy's amount? 72. 2 here 1, 2 here 36. So this should give us what? 3 multiplied by 36 should give us what? That should be 108. So this is also what? Pounds. Do you get the logic? So we are not told that we should show that in total they have less than $250. So let's add all the money together. Let's see if they are less than $250. If they are less than $250, that means we are correct. So therefore, total will now be what? Starting from Joe's 72 plus Kim's 60 plus Lisa 108. So 72 plus 60, that should give us 132. Plus 108, that should give us 240 pounds. So it is correct. So the value is less than 250. So we have already showed that what? Kim's, Lisa's, and Joy's amount is less than 250 pounds. And that is all for today. So in case you have any question, please don't forget to drop in the comment section. Like this video, share this video, and share to your colleagues, not just only you, so that they can also benefit from it, please. And also, if you want online class or you are interested in our online classes for maths, physics, and chemistry, kindly send us a DM. We are always open. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.